Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open TikTok in mute. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy, and if you scroll down you should see Playback. So you just want to tap on that, and then you should see at the top, Open TikTok on mute. So this will just mean videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device's volume controls. So if you're happy with all that, just obviously toggle that on. And that's how you can open TikTok on mute. Thanks for watching.